Today I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a table into a rich text module in HubSpot. If you're creating a blog post or updating your website and you want to organize information in a clear, easy-to-read format, a nicely formatted table can make all the difference. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to seamlessly add tables to your content in HubSpot, even if you haven't done it before. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, open up HubSpot. If you're new to the platform, you'll likely land on your dashboard after logging in. Take a moment to get acquainted with the interface. It's quite intuitive. We're focusing on blog posts today, so once you're in, go ahead and navigate to your blog. Usually, you'll find this option in your main navigation menu or under Marketing in HubSpot. Find the blog post you want to work on, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Once you're inside your blog post editor, look over to the left panel. This is where HubSpot lets you add different modules to build out your post, things like images, headings, videos, and most importantly for today, the rich text module. Click on the Add button or icon there. It should look like a little plus sign. This part is a lot like adding building blocks to a page, so think of the rich text module as your canvas for written content, formatting, and yes, tables. Now select Rich Text from the available modules. Drag and drop it into your post where you'd like the table to appear. You might want it after some introductory text or maybe smack in the middle. Just choose what works for your content flow. The rich text editor will open up right in the page, just waiting for you to work some formatting magic. Here, where the fun begins, look for the Insert tool within the rich text editor. It can seem a bit hidden, so don't worry if you have to hunt for it for a moment. It's usually at the top, alongside formatting options like bold, italic, and bullet lists. Click on Insert and you'll see several choices. What we want here is Embed. This feature lets you drop in custom code or snippets, which is exactly what tables need in HubSpot's editor. After you select Embed, a text box will pop up. Here where you'll paste your sample embed table code. If you already have HTML code for a table, just copy it and paste it in. If you're not sure what this looks like, imagine a simple spreadsheet with rows and columns. That's the structure you're recreating with HTML. For example, a basic table might have a header row and a couple of data rows. Great for showing comparison data, organizing product features, or listing contact details. This part might look a little technical, especially if you haven't worked with HTML before, but don't worry. If you ever need help formatting your table, there are plenty of generators online that will write the code for you. Once your code is in place, simply click Insert. HubSpot will immediately preview the table in your rich text module, so take a moment to review how it looks. If you spot any typos or want to tweak the column widths, you can always go back and edit the embed code. And if you don't see a table right away, give it a moment. Sometimes there's a short delay as it loads up. And that's it. Your table is now part of your blog post, ready to help your readers make sense of information quickly and clearly. Tables can be a real game changer for presenting data, and knowing how to add them sets you up for more professional-looking content in HubSpot. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button. If you have questions or if you want help with table formatting in HubSpot, drop a comment below. I love seeing your questions and helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical how-to videos. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.